If you are craving for restaurant-style tandoori fish, but without the hassle of a traditional tandoor, then this recipe is just for you. Hello friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries, and today I am making a perfectly charred, juicy and flavorful tandoori pomfret in the air fryer. And with a simple homemade marinade, minimal oil and just a few minutes of cooking, you'll have a healthy protein-packed seafood dish that's as delicious as your favorite restaurant version. So let's get started with the cooking process. So here I've taken 4 medium-sized pomfrets and I've made sleeves or gashes on both the sides so that the flavors of the marination can penetrate deep inside. And now we shall prepare a tandoori marination batter. For that we will take a bowl and into it goes 2 tablespoons of thick curd or hung curd. Next goes 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of roasted gram flour or besan, some salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, a teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder, a tablespoon of Kashmir red chili powder which will give a lovely color to the marinade. Then these are ajwain or carom seeds. We'll gently crush and add them into the marination, as well as some crushed kasuri methi leaves. Also goes into this the juice of half a lime. And finally a tablespoon of mustard oil. Now let's give this a good mix until all the ingredients are well combined and we get a lumps-free smooth batter. And our flavorful tandoori marination batter is ready to coat the fish pieces. Let's now generously add the prepared marination tandoori batter over the fish pieces. See to it that the fish is well coated with the marination batter, especially near the areas where slits or gashes has been made and this side of the opening as well, so that the fish turns out juicy and flavorful after getting cooked in the air fryer. So coating of the pomfret fish with the tandoori marination batter is done, and now I'm going to let them rest for at least an hour in the refrigerator for best results. So I have preheated my air fryer basket and have lined it with perforated parchment paper so that the flesh of the pomfret doesn't stick to the basket, and I have greased the parchment paper as well. And now let's place the marinated pomfrets in the basket. And in one basket I have placed 2 pomfrets so that there is enough space for distribution of air in the basket to cook them uniformly. And now let's pop them into the air fryer. I'm going to cook the pomfrets for 12 minutes and set the temperature at 180 degrees Celsius. And since I have dual basket, I will set the sink basket option. After halfway through, say after 6 minutes, we'll gently flip the pomfrets. And now I'm going to apply some of the leftover marination batter on this side of the fish. Also, I'm going to drizzle a few drops of vegetable oil so that the fish remains moist and juicy while getting cooked in the air fryer. We'll close the basket and we'll let them cook in the set temperature. It's 12 minutes. Let's check the fish. They are well cooked, slightly crisp from outside. And now, in order to give a smoky and charred look, I'm going to roast the fish in gas burner flame just for a few seconds from both the sides. And by now, a nice smoky tandoori aroma has filled my kitchen. So in this way also, you can achieve restaurant-like tandoori recipes at home without a tandoor. And by now my tandoori pomfrets are ready, so let's serve them hot right away. And there you have it, perfectly cooked air fryer tandoori pomfret that's crispy around the edges, juicy inside and bursting with smoky tandoori flavors. You can serve it with onion rings, lemon wedges and a fresh salad for a complete meal. So friends, do try this air fryer tandoori pomfret recipe and let me know how it turned out. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.